show you how I make some, we'll call them semi-healthy cookies. That's it. Anyway, they're pretty healthy. There's no extra added sugar in them. We're going to start with 1 cup of oats. Okay? And instead of the sugar, I'm calling mine semi-healthy because I make my own applesauce, and this has a little bit of sugar in it. Not a ridiculous amount, but it's just lightly sweetened, so I can't say these are totally sugar-free, and I also use a little bit of chocolate chips in them, so, but make them however you will. It's a good recipe to modify. Okay. We have got 1 cup of applesauce. Then we're going to take 1/2 cup of butter. And we're going to put that, maybe, get off there. Yeah, there we go. Okay, now we are just going to slowly mix this together. And I'm going to let that mix for a couple minutes till it's real good and incorporated, and I'll be back. Okay, friends, I'm back. So, now that we got that, these are going to be good. That's mixed up all together really good. These are really easy to make, and you can pretty much put anything you want in them. But first off, I'm going to put I got butterfingers. I'm going to put a teaspoon of vanilla in here. Okay. You can also put a little salt in here if you want. Doesn't, not very much, but I'm not going to put any because I'm going to put walnuts in here, and they do got some salt on them. So with that, I got that in there. Now, I'm going to start adding some of my goodies. Right here, I got some chopped up dates. I'm going to put them in there. Actually, I'm going to put them all in there. Okay. Here's my walnuts. However many you like. There's no real measurement. Okay. And I'm going to put some cranberries in here. Put a couple nice handfuls in there. I love cranberries like this. Okay, and then I've got a little bit of chia seeds.
Y B G.
We'll put a little of that in there. And I'm going to put some flax seeds in here because these are good. I'll put a couple good handfuls in there. There. Then for my little bit of sweetness, and you don't have to do this, you can put whatever you want in these. This is just a good base. The oatmeal, the butter, and the
Close your eyes.
I'll put a few more in there. There we go. Yeah, the oatmeal, the butter, and the applesauce is a good base, and then from there you can just build it however you want it. So I'm just going to mix those up nicely there. And that is all that I'm going to put into mine. And these are going to be fantastic. So, let me get those finished up mixing. I'm going to get my cookie sheet ready, and I'll bring you back and show you how I do the rest. How do you like that? I'm back, and I was just talking away and putting my cookies on the tray, and I looked up and my camera wasn't on. So, they're all mixed up, and I just put them, let me say this again, I sound like I'm repeating myself to me, but you didn't hear me. These would be good with coffee. These would be good with the breakfast. You could add a lot to them. a lot more. You could make it all different. And if, you know, they're pretty close to vegan, except they got real butter, but vegan has, they have vegan butter you can use in them. There's no eggs, no sugar, no nothing else in them. So you could modify these into a complete vegan meal. Now I'm just going to take, you can't see over there, I'm just going to take and push these down a little bit because these are going to be nice. And I don't care if they're misshapen. It's just they all pretty much have the same stuff in them. Okay? We're not going to spread out too much. Just push them down. But I know these are good. Then we're going to put them in a 350-degree oven, and we're going to leave them in there for about 20 minutes. So, there they are. We're going to put them in our oven for about 20 minutes, and when it's done, I will bring you back. There they go, in the oven. We're going to time it for 20 minutes. Start, and we'll be back when they're done. Okay, friends, our cookies are done. Pulling them out of the oven, and look at them. Those are beauties. Look at how nice those are. They're real soft, real soft. So I'm going to just let them cool, and then we'll try them. But it's that simple. That simple. All it is oatmeal, applesauce, and butter, and the rest is whatever you want it to be. So I'll be back and show you how they are. All right, friends, there's the cookies. They're good. They're a little sweet, they're a little tangy, they're chewy, gooey. They're wonderful. So there you have it. Give them a try. You'll like them. Thanks for watching.